Let's learn 5 phrasal verbs with blow, with picture examples. Firstly, blow away. This means to amaze someone. For example, the views in South America blow me away. I love traveling. Blow off. This means to release pressure. For example, someone has blown off. I can't breathe. Blow out. This means to extinguish fire with air. For example, blow out the candles and don't forget to make a wish. Blow over. This means pass without anything bad happening. For example, I'll hide in here until this storm blows over. And finally, blow up. This means to inflate with air, to enlarge, or use explosives to destroy. For example, cover your ears. The old castle is about to be blown up. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.